everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the VW Beetle and we're going to replace the spark plugs. So as you may know, this is a 1300 Beetle engine. It's a flat 4 motor, so it's got 4 cylinders and we've got 2 cylinders on this side. We've got 2 cylinders on this side, and the engine lays flat across it with the spark plugs running from your distributor up there and there. And you can see it's not easy access to get it there. It's quite a bit of a mission. So we've got some tools and ratchets and sockets to help us get in there. Sometimes we may to go in the top, and you can see that spark plug wire is going to come out. Let's get started. As mentioned earlier, it's quite a mission to take the spark plugs out of the Beetle because just of the layout, it's flat 4 and the spark plugs are stuck in the corner. So I've got a variety of tools to help us today. A couple of swivel heads, long extensions, this little unit that kind of has a grab handle there. Also got a ratchet, which you've seen me use before in my previous videos, link. But one of these tools here should help us. Alright, now we're back at the engine and we're going to start with the first one, which is probably the easiest one, which is this one here. We pull the plug lead off. I like to do them one at a time so we don't have to mess with the plug leads and work out which one goes where. We just pop it off, get it out the way. I'm going to try this one first. Finally, got it out. Now we're done on the right side, now we do on the left side, and this one is decidedly tricky because you've got fuel lines. Zoom up. We've got fuel lines and we've got ignition wires and the coil. So we're going to have to get in there, which is a little bit more tricky right there. Right, we've got 3 spark plugs in, and now probably the most difficult one, deep in the belly of the beast, behind all those wires down there. You can just see the plug lead. See if I can pull it out. Okay, now we've replaced all 4 spark plugs, 2 on the right, 2 on the left. Let's start it up for a cold start. job complete. We've now replaced all 4 spark plugs in a 1973 1300 Twinport VW Bug. It was a bit of a mission, but we did it. I think my knuckles don't have any skin on them anymore, but all good. Once again, thanks for watching.